Hello, friends. Today we're going to talk about starting your career in information technology. My name is Salman Naqvi. I'm an IT professional who has been working in IT for 20 years, more than 20 years. And I have worked in networking, security, and now I am a cloud security professional. I have worked at Cisco, Amazon, Government of Canada, and many other large and small organizations. So when you're getting into IT, there's literally 1,000 different potential options to choose from. And so these are some of the high level categories, and this is not an exhaustive list. So you could become a developer or, what some people more generally know as programming. You could become a database or security or cloud expert, networking, virtualization, storage, or hardware expert. So one of the first steps you need to take is to figure out which direction you want to take your career in. To do that, IT in general has a wealth of resources, many free or free for a limited time options that you can use to get started in your IT journey. And what I recommend people to do is take a good few months when getting started with their IT journey. Go through some of these resources. And again, this is not an exhaustive list either. The list of resources is virtually endless. But these are some of the ones that I highly recommend to people. And go through some of their courses. Try a cloud course, try a security course, try a networking course, try a wireless course, try a database course, and see what piques your interest, and then dive deeper into some of those technologies. So the first one is Free Code Camp. And so as the name suggests, they are focused on coding, development, and programming. But then they also have many adjacent courses as well. Systems administration, and DevOps and things like that. Here's A Cloud Guru. And again, with cloud courses, there's so many options. With all of these different types of technologies, there's so many options. A Cloud Guru is one of my more favorite options. They have courses for all the different cloud vendors, AWS, Azure, Google, Oracle, etc. Solo Learn is an amazing way of learning programming, and they have an app as well. So instead of wasting time on your phone, you can learn coding, and they help you do it in a really fun and engaging way. And you can do it on the computer or on the app or both, ideally. For those who may want to get into networking, INE is a great option, Internet Networking Expert, INE.com. Again, for those who may want to get into networking, Orhan Ergun is also an amazing option. His courses are very good quality and great content. Udemy literally has tens of thousands of IT related courses, and their price varies from $15 to $150. And there's a lot of really great instructors on Udemy. So let's say I wanted to learn about Azure security and become an Azure security specialist. Then I would just search Azure security, and then I can find a bunch of courses, and I would pick one of the top rated ones and then go through that course. And then of course there is YouTube. And I just happened to open up Tech World with Nana. She has an amazing channel with a really great list of courses. I've done several of these myself, and she does a really good job of explaining technology and taking you through different aspects, different technologies, different systems from top to bottom. But she is just one example out of literally thousands on YouTube that have great technology content. So what you want to do is go and take advantage of all the free resources and dive deeper. and really take your time learning networking, security, cloud, and then decide which area of IT you are enjoying, and then learn it in a more deeper fashion, and then start working on certifications in those areas. So in some areas of IT, like development or programming, certifications are not that important. You got to build the experience. You got to make projects, make apps, and showcase them to the world on your GitHub profile. But in some other areas of IT, like security, networking, cloud, certifications are very important, and they will play a huge role in you getting your first job, and as well as getting a promotion after starting your IT career. Build your GitHub profile. So GitHub is basically like kind of like a online technical resume in a way, where you put up the code that you work with. And again, depending on which area of IT you get into, your GitHub profile could be very important. For developers, it's a must. For anybody working in cloud, it's very important as well. Maybe not so important for somebody in networking, but could be important if you're trying to do programmatic networking. Build your LinkedIn profile and then connect with lots of people and ask people for help. If you ask 10 people for help, probably 5 will be more than happy to help you. And so ask them, which certifications should I do? Which career path should I go into? If you are having trouble deciding after doing your own research. And then build your resume and put some of the courses that you have done on your resume. Put your GitHub profile and some of the projects that you have done that you've put up on GitHub also on your resume, and then start applying to jobs. In the coming weeks and months, I will dive deeper into each of these points on how to build your GitHub profile, how to build your LinkedIn profile, how to build your resume for most effectiveness in terms of getting responses from recruiters, from HR people, and how to apply to jobs and maximize your chances of getting interviews and then eventually getting jobs as well. Thank you for watching. I hope this is useful in getting you started in your IT journey.